Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet book cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet book cover design is a decorative and functional cover made using crochet techniques to protect and personalize books. These covers can be customized with different patterns, colors, textures, and embellishments, such as buttons, appliques, or embroidered details. Type of crochet book cover designs: simple solid covers, basic single color or striped covers, made with simple stitches like single or double crochet. Lacy or open work designs: elegant covers with intricate patterns, such as fillet crochet or lace motifs. Themed covers: designs featuring characters, floral patterns, or seasonal motifs. Pocketed covers includes built-in pockets to hold bookmarks, pens, or notes. Buttons or tie closures, secured with buttons, straps, or ribbon ties to keep the book safe. Stretchable covers use ribbing or elasticized stitches for a snug fit on different book sizes. Creating a crochet book cover can be a fun and creative project. Here are some tips to help you design and make a beautiful and functional cover. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best because it is durable, holds its shape well, and does not stretch too much. Acrylic yarn is a good, budget-friendly alternative, but it may stretch over time. Thicker yarns will create a more padded and protective cover, while thinner yarns will give a more delicate and detailed look. Select the right stitch pattern. Tighter stitches, single crochet, half double crochet work best to provide a sturdy structure. Textured stitches, bumble stitch, offal stitch can add a decorative touch. Lace or open work patterns look beautiful but may not protect the book as much. Next, measure your book properly. Measure the height, weight, and thickness of the book. Add a little extra width of AC but not too much, or the cover will be too loose. If making a stitchable cover, use ribbing or slightly smaller size for a snug fit. Design features to consider: flaps or plastic bands to hold the book securely, pocket for bookmarks, notes, or pens, buttons, ribbons, or tie closures to keep the cover in place, appliques, embroidery, or beads for extra decoration. Blocking for a professional finish. After crocheting, lightly book the pitch to even out spaces and ensure the right fit. Use steps blocking for acrylic yarn and weight blocking for cotton yarn. Add a lining for extra durability. If you want a sturdier cover, sew a fabric lining inside to prevent stretching. Choose a fabric that complements the yarn color and pattern. Hand stitch or use fabric glue to attach the lining. Use a Tracy stitch for a snug fit. Stitches like ribbing, front post, back post, double crochet, or slip stitches crochet can create a Tracy effect, helping the cover hug to book nicely. If the book size changes, the flexible pattern will make the cover more adaptable. Consider making an adjustable cover if you are making a gift or want to reuse the cover for different books. Add a button closer or ties for adjustable sizing. A wrap-around cover with a button loop can fit books of smaller sizes. Try fun techniques for texture and style. Tapestry crochet for detailed patterns or monograms. Granny skirts for a patchwork style cover. Cable crochet for a more sophisticated knitted look. Personalize with embellishments. Add in details, names, or cards using surface, crochet, or embroidery. Sew on cute buttons, beads, or charms for a unique touch. Attach crocheted flowers, hearts, or themed applets for decoration. Make a bookmark for attachments. Crochet a built-in bookmark by adding a long chain with a small charm or tassel at the end. You can also attach an elastic band to wrap around the book and hold the bookmark in place. Use a non-slip backing for stability. If the cover is slipping off, sew a thin felt or silicone grip strap inside the cover. This helps keep the book in place, especially for smooth covered books. Wash and care considerations. If gifting the book cover, include care instructions like hand wash or machine wash on a gentle cycle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!